In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. By the end, you'll know how to start a new campaign, build a clean email with text and images, and send it to your audience with confidence. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along smoothly. First, open Mailchimp and head to your account dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Campaigns area. This is your home base for anything you want to send, from one-off newsletters to automated sequences. Go ahead and open Campaigns so you can see your existing work and start something new. Next, click Create to begin a fresh campaign. This is where you kick off your newsletter. You'll be prompted to give it an internal name. Type a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize the campaign later. Think of it like a label just for you and your team. Your subscribers won't see this, but you'll thank yourself later when you're tracking performance or duplicating a winning newsletter. Click. Begin to jump into the builder. Mailchimp will show you layout options. Choose a basic layout to keep things clean and flexible, which is perfect for a straightforward newsletter. From there, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over the content without any preset filler, and it helps keep your design on brand from the start. Now you'll see the editor with your canvas in the center and content blocks on the side. Navigate to the Content Blocks panel. This is where you'll find reusable pieces like headings, images, and paragraphs that you can drag into your email. It's very much a build-as-you-go experience. Drag a heading block onto the canvas, click into it, and type your main headline. Make it short, clear, and benefit-driven so readers instantly know what the email is about. You can fine-tune the size and alignment in the editor so it looks consistent with your usual style. If you have brand guidelines, match the tone and capitalization you use elsewhere for a cohesive feel. Next, add a visual. Drag an image block to the spot where you want it to appear, usually just below the heading. Click Add to open your Content Studio. From here, browse your computer or pick something you've already uploaded. Choose an image that reinforces your message, logos for branding, a product shot, or a relevant illustration. Keep file sizes reasonable so your email loads quickly, and aim for simple, uncluttered visuals that look good on both desktop and mobile. Now it's time to write. Drag a paragraph block below your image. Click the paragraph area to activate the editor and start typing your newsletter content. Keep your copy scannable, lead with the most important update, then add supporting details. Use short sentences and clear language. If you're sharing multiple updates, structure them with line breaks so each point stands out. Aim for a friendly, helpful tone, and explain exactly what readers should do next, like visiting a link or checking out a new resource, without overwhelming them. As you write, think about readability. Contrast should be high enough for easy reading, and your font size should be comfortable on mobile screens. If you reference a link in your copy, make it obvious with a clear call to action phrase so people can tap it easily. When your content looks right and you're happy with the layout, click Save and Exit. This saves your design and returns you to the campaign overview. Pause here if you need to gather approvals or give the copy a final polish later. Your progress is safe. When you're ready to deliver your newsletter, click Send. Mailchimp will handle the rest and distribute your email to the selected audience. After sending, you can return to the campaigns area anytime to review performance, learn what resonated, and use those insights for your next send. That's it. You've created, designed, and sent a simple, effective Mailchimp newsletter from scratch. Keep refining your headline, image choice, and paragraph structure with each campaign, and you'll build a repeatable process that saves time and grows engagement.